Hi guys, I felt like having some delicious waffles with my Dash grills. One's a heart and one's a circle. Spray it well with whatever spray. I used avocado spray. Flourish protein powder called for 2/3 of a cup. I decided just to use a third cup, and I added a tablespoon of good protein chocolate powder, which is delicious just for some extra protein. Why not? A tablespoon of cocoa berry cocoa powder is my favorite. A sprinkle of cinnamon and some salt. I added water as well, and I decided I'm going to put some blueberries on top and some pumpkin seeds. Add some pumpkin seeds for extra crunch and some sunflower seeds as well, to make it super delicious. Add enough water to get it nice and creamy. I didn't really measure, so I just waited now until the Dash grills are nice and hot. I used about a quarter, more than a quarter actually, cup to fill it. This one was a bit messy. But maybe I would use just like a couple of tablespoons to add it to my grill. Make sure, like I said, it's nice and hot, a nice thick consistency. And it tastes quite yummy. I did taste the batter. And now I'm going to add just some frozen blueberries on top and some pumpkin seeds this time, just for some extra crunch. I thought, why not? I've never done that before, but I thought I would try that out as well. Anyways, I realized it was sticking, so I added the blueberries right to the mixture. Make sure you spray your pan each time so that your waffles don't stick. That's what I did, and I added the sunflower seeds this time, just to change things up. And it was a better turnout, and I decided for some Greek yogurt. I made some vanilla Greek yogurt. There they are, with some vanilla and actually maple syrup, which turned out really good. You could use real maple syrup, or I had the sugar-free maple syrup. Oh, and don't forget the chocolate whipped cream. Yum, so delicious, by Gay Lee. So just as a little treat, not a cheat, a treat. And here it is. So delicious, satisfying, and yummy.